Hi again. Tuesday we are talking about what we saw on Monday first, which is what the second half actually the traders actually they start deploying hedging strategies. So it's a play that perhaps the entire bias is bullish, setup is bullish for the near term. 10,500, 700, the levels which I've been talking about, those again look on the cards. But for now, in the very near term, because there is a US Fed policy, Bank of England policy, Bank of England actually expected to increase interest rates. US Fed is expected to do nothing, maintain status quo. Also, in terms of Bank of Japan, the policy is already out. And also some sort of data, macro data, like monthly jobs data in US, China, important macro data, manufacturing data. So again, those data are there. In terms of the Asian markets, the Q is actually looking quite flat. In terms of what traders are doing, I actually sense in options traders actually are playing for a pullback of around 100 points. 100 points could not be exact, but somewhere in the range of 10,200 to 300. Traders are playing for some sort of pullback from Nifty, could be a soft pullback. Nothing to worry, nothing to be afraid, but it's more about because of the events around, perhaps Nifty could be sluggish, but they are outright bullish in futures. They are outright bullish in Bank Nifty, Nifty futures, and there is good long addition happening on both sides. So it appears whenever you are actually bullish on futures, it's normally actually the setup. Normally it indicates what actually what is the underlying undercurrent trend here. So underlying trend is bullish. In terms of hedging activity, that again could be withdrawn anytime the market start actually showing a sort of direction. But just to be aware about it, at present there could be possibility of a pullback here. Where's the buying happening? Buying is happening in pharma since Friday, auto in particular, tires also, then autos, and as we are talking about some sort of buying also happening in other sectors, realty. Some of the names, results from the housing finance were not that great, but stocks like Dewan Housing Finance, they continue to add good sort of open interest addition on the long side. Stocks like MRF, all tire stocks were rallying, but I like MRF. Good sort of channel breakout, good sort of accumulation, long open interest build up. It's a good stock. It's a stock which is showing good character to go up. In terms of Bata, again, a similar sort of momentum being seen, good long open interest build up. The stock basically is gradually now breaking out the channel. And the stock has been a relative outperformer. The entire footwear category, it seems basically something has really changed from south to north. But Bata basically has shown great promise yesterday. Now, there are basically other stocks which have been doing good. Ajanta Pharma, actually, you should be noticing that stock. And if you like to actually pharma, then actually pick out Ajanta Pharma again. Looking great, good sort of build up there. And then other stocks which we have been talking about. Make Money Organics, my personal favorite in the chemical space. The stock basically has been again building out good volumes, good momentum. Looking really great. Post 108, another breakout has been seen. A number of stocks I will be posting on the Twitter also. But the flavor here is that the mid cap, small cap, those are looking very strong. So there is no problem there. Market breadth is positive. So what I say about the markets, looking positive. I would be slightly circumspect in terms of the way spreads are being formed. Some sort of pullback could be a buying opportunity. So just watch out for that. On the stock side, pharma is a much easier pick again today. I would like to actually be more positive on pharma than stocks from other packs. As I was just discussing, some of the housing finance names, those are looking really great. Banks, PSU banks, do I need to go aggressive long on that? I don't think so, because I always like to actually pick out companies which are more on a sound footing after a rally of 20 to 50%. PSU banks now actually need to prove their credit growth before actually you can go really overweight on them. So I think that's about the markets here, and also about the stocks. I have talked about some of the stocks, and some of the more stocks I'm going to post on the Twitter also. You can check out there. So I think that's on the markets. Keep me posted. Take care, and have a good profitable day.